If you play FPS games and use the HyperX Cloud 3, the right EQ settings can make a huge difference, especially for hearing footsteps and enemy movement clearly. First, open HyperX Ingenuity software on your PC and connect your headset. Go to the Equalizer section and start with a flat preset. Now, let's adjust it for competitive FPS games. Lower the bass slightly so explosions don't overpower footsteps. Reduce the 250 Hz and 500 Hz range a bit, and cut 1 kHz slightly to remove muddy sounds. Next, boost the frequencies that matter most for FPS. Increase 4 kHz and 8 kHz to make footsteps, reloads, and enemy movement clearer. Add a small boost to 16 kHz for extra detail, but don't overdo it. Too much can sound sharp. Keep the very low bass frequencies like 32 Hz and 64 Hz neutral or slightly reduced. This helps you focus on direction and distance instead of rumble. After saving the preset, test it in a practice match and fine-tune if needed. Every game sounds different, so small adjustments are normal. With these EQ settings, your HyperX Cloud 3 will sound cleaner, sharper, and far more competitive for FPS games.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.